What if I told you? Not all drones are created equal? Some will crash, others will blow your mind. After testing hundreds, these 5 drones dominate 2025. But which one's best for you? Stick around, because the 3 pick shocked even us. Oh, and all product links? Check the description. Let's dive in. Starting at number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is the most capable ultralight drone on the market. It weighs just 249 g with its standard battery, good for around 34 minutes of flight time, so you don't have to register it with the FAA. Creators who don't mind forms and fees should opt for the extended life battery, however, which pushes flights beyond 45 minutes. Full 360-degree obstacle avoidance, automated flight modes, and a quad-Bayer camera with 4K 60 HDR video round out the feature set. We especially like the APAS function, which helps the drone navigate through complex spaces all by itself, even at low altitudes. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is the drone to get for pilots who want to skip FAA registration, but not miss out on many features. Drone enthusiasts, cinematographers looking to add a B camera for aerials, and creators who don't mind spending a bit more for smart obstacle avoidance should find the Mini 4 Pro to be a reliable performer. It's also a good match for TikTok influencers because it supports vertical 9:16 video. Licensed pilots should make sure to pick up an extended life battery to enable remote ID broadcast, which are a requirement for professionals in the US. Number 2. DJI Flip. The DJI Flip is the perfect choice for first-time drone pilots and aerial imaging enthusiasts. The drone has a 249 g takeoff weight, so it doesn't need to be registered with the FAA, and includes built-in propeller guards and forward obstacle sensors to support safe flight. The Flip includes a remote control in its basic configuration but may also be controlled with a smartphone app or on aircraft controls. Camera quality is tops, too. The drone keeps up with flagship smartphones with excellent 4K 60 video and RAW or JPG stills at your choice of 12MP or 48MP. First-time drone owners will appreciate the Flip's safety features, ease of use, and picture quality. Its stills are good enough to print and share on social media, and its video will look great on YouTube or even a big-screen TV. Pro pilots should skip this one as it doesn't support remote ID, but the Flip is a stronger value option for drone flights performed under recreational rules. Number 3. DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 puts both a 24mm wide-angle and 70mm mid-telephoto lens on its gimbal-stabilized camera, giving pilots lots of creative options. Its 360-degree obstacle avoidance system is a boost for automated camera moves and follow-me flights, and makes the drone all but crash-proof for manual flight. Long battery life, sharp 4K video, and good still image quality complete the package. The Air 3 is a good drone for recreational pilots who want a model with stronger motors and better wind resistance than most 249 g drones manage, and for pros working on video projects or taking photos for real estate listings. FAA registration is required for all pilots with this model, but the dual camera system, remote ID, and ADS-B are all marks in its favor. Number 4. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro's big 4/3 format sensor with a Hasselblad color profile delivers class-leading footage and stills straight out of the camera. All-around obstacle sensors allow the drone to easily bypass obstructions, and integrated GPS keeps it steady in the air, and 35-minute flying times, in testing, make for safer flights. Film producers can upgrade to the Pro Cine for $1,799 edition to get a 1TB SSD, ProRes 422 video support, and the RC Pro remote, while anyone on a budget can opt for the $1,599 Classic Edition, which drops the telephoto cameras and internal storage. The Mavic 3 Pro is ideal for cinematographers, indie filmmakers, vloggers, and other creative professionals. It's heavy enough to require FAA registration and you need an operator's license to use it for paid projects, but it's still easy to bring along for location work. Number 5. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is one of the better entry-level drones available. Its camera is excellent. It supports 4K 30 video with an HDR look in either vertical or landscape orientation, as well as 60 degrees of upward tilt. The photo quality is good, too. The camera supports 12MP JPG or RAW DNG snaps, while the f1.7 optics do a good job at dawn and dusk. Safety features include GPS, Find My Drone, and Return to Home. Its 249g takeoff weight means you can fly it without dealing with FAA registration. You just need to pass an online knowledge test. We also like the 38-minute flight times, though we wish DJI had worked obstacle detection into this model. Creators who want a dual-aspect drone for TikTok and YouTube should consider this. It conveniently streams live video straight to a smartphone app, is capable for stills, and remains stable even when you fly it near the 400-foot altitude limit. Licensed pilots can consider the Mini 3 for paid work, but make sure to get the extended life battery as it is a requirement for remote ID to work with this drone. So, which drone stole your heart? Let me know in the comments. And if you're still unsure? No worries, I've got a full buyer's guide linked above. Smash that like button if this helped, share with your drone squad, and subscribe, because next week, we're testing secret military-grade drones you can buy. See you in the next one.